How to tweet someone on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll show you how you can tweet someone on Twitter. So you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. In order to tweet someone on Twitter, the process is fairly easy. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Twitter application on your device. So go ahead and open up the Twitter app. Once you open Twitter, you can see this is how it is going to look like. In order to be able to tweet someone, you have to remember their username. So tap on the plus icon from the bottom right corner. As you tap on the plus icon, here you'll find the option that says tweet. So just tap on tweet. Now, in order to tweet someone, all you have to do is hit the @ button over here. Once you hit @, enter the name of the person to whom you want to tweet. For example, let's say I want to tweet someone over here named, let's say, a celebrity or anything. Just enter their username. And then you'll see all the suggestions at the bottom. Just tap on their name in order to mention them. You can actually add multiple people to this tweet as well. So you can just go ahead and select your random text that you want to tweet to this. And you have to mention the username. Once you're done with your tweet, tap on the tweet button on the top right corner of the screen. And that's all it takes to tweet someone on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.